Okay, in this video we are going to look at installing forms on your website. So in an earlier video we created our sign up form. Let's go and have a look at that. And it was the embedded form. And this can seem scary, but it's actually very simple. Since we've already done the design, we just need to click here to get embed code. It pops the code up for us, and you can put it wherever you want the form to pop up. Or show up, not pop up. So I've copied to the clipboard, and I'm going to go over to my page, and I am just on my home page, which is this page here. And I've decided I'm just going to pop it right there under my picture for now. I may decide to put it, putting it above the fold is good. That gives them, especially if you have a giveaway, a workbook, a worksheet, anything that you're giving away, if you have it above the fold, they see it right away because they may pop on and go, hey, I'm not interested in this site, and leave. That way it's above the fold here without having to scroll down. But I'm going to put mine here for now. So back over to edit page. This is what you see on that page. There's the image. So I've popped in a little box here. I'm just going to edit that. Go into the content and paste that little code that was on my screen, on my clipboard. And then we're going to close out this window, preview changes, so we can take a look at it. And there's the form we made yesterday, right under my image. And I probably need to tweak that and center it up, but for now that shows you how to embed your form. We're going to update the page to make sure that it stays. And you can do this on a home page. You can do it on within a blog post. You can drop that code wherever you want your opt-in box to be. So, you know, we talked before about you may have several. You may have some that when they sign up they get a freebie or a content upgrade. You may just want to add them to a list. So depending on what you want the action to be, that's where you'll put your opt-in box or your opt-in form. So that's where I'm having this one. And that's all. If you have any questions, just let me know.